2013 to I think 2018 Altima, 5th generation, qr25de camshaft adjuster solenoids. When you look at this engine, you can't find them anywhere. You wonder where the hell they are. I'll show you how to do them fast and easy. All right, you want to come to the passenger side wheel well, take the wheel off. There's a little cover you take off with some clips. And then you look up in here and you can see, I have a paper towel there to catch the oil right now. But you can see the 3 camshaft adjusting solenoids. There's the far left for the intake, the middle one, it's a locker, and the right side is the exhaust. So you can reach up in there with your hand or some pliers, undo the connector, and then there's a 10mm bolt holding it in. So for the 10mm, get an extension, and you reach up in there with that. And then you can actually come in from the top. If you can't get it loose by hand, you just spin it a little bit so the flange of the sensor is sticking out. And then you can come from the top of the pry bar and give it a couple taps to loosen it out. So I'll show you the new one in there in a second. All right, here's the new and the old. You want to get a good brand. Aisin is the OEM manufacturer, so I got that. And you want to put some kind of lube on it, either assembly lube or engine oil, anything just to get it in there without ripping this O-ring and to make it slide in easy. So a little bit of lube goes a long way. So you can't see too good, but you can just get up in there with the new sensor, and then you reach up with your finger and get the bolt started, and then I can get my extension with my 10mm on that. There we go. Let's come back in here with the connector. Make sure we're good. And then we're good. Then of course, due to the placement of these sensors, you're gonna spill a little bit of oil when you do this. You can't really see it, but what you wanna do is douse it with brake cleaner, because you don't want the belt getting oily or staying oily if it did get oily. You want to clean up the oil. That was $2 in brake cleaner right there.